Hi. Let's take a very important question of this chapter. Observe the Venn diagram and write the given set U, A, B, A union B and A intersection B, and Venn diagram is already given to us in this question. So we have a rectangle representing universal set, then we have two circles, one circle for set A and another circle for set B. Using this Venn diagram, we need to write set U, A, B, A union B and A intersection B. So let's start with first set, that is set U. Now we know that set U is a universal set, therefore the elements of universal set are all the numbers which are present inside this rectangle. So we write U is equals to, we need to write all the numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 13. We need to write all the numbers, right? So that is set U. Now next is set A. Now when we say set A, that means we need to write only those numbers which are present inside circle which belongs to A. So if you observe, this circle represents set A, so we need to write all the numbers which are present in this circle, that is 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7. So we write A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Next is set B. That means we need to write only those numbers which are present in set B. If you observe this Venn diagram, this circle is for set B. That means we need to write all the numbers which are present in this set B, in this circle, that is 1, 5, 8, 9, 10. So we write B is equal to 1, 5, 8, 9, 10. So we have written set U, set A and set B. Now next is we need to write set A union B. That means we need to write elements for set A union B. Now we know that A union B, union means we need to write all the elements of set A as well as set B. So there are two ways to solve. If you observe set A and set B, and if we want to write union, we need to just write all the elements which are present in set A and set B. But remember one thing, repetition is not allowed. So we can write 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Then we will write 8, 9, 10. We will not write 1, 5 again. Or we can write A union B from Venn diagram. That means we need to write all the elements of these two circles. So we write A union B as 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now next is we need to write all the elements for set A intersection B. Now we know that intersection means we need to write only common element. Since we need to find A intersection B, that means we need to write common elements of set A and set B. So if you observe set A and set B, and if you observe common element, we can say that 1 is common in both set as well as 5 is common in both set. So A intersection B is 1, 5. Again, if you observe this Venn diagram, if you observe both circle, and if you want to find A intersection B, this intersecting part, the elements which are present in this intersecting part is nothing but A intersection B, that is 1, 5. So either we can do it directly by looking at A and B and writing their common element, or we can get answer from Venn diagram.